Hello, this is Rex Mello, and in this video I'll be going over a face swap app that also acts like a Snapchat filter app. You can use filters like you do in Snapchat, and the main thing I'm trying to show here is how you can use face landmarks to swap them with a filter of your choice or a face of your choice, anything basically. And yeah, as you can see here, it's a desktop app, and it uses face landmarks from Mediapipe, and basically it swaps them with any sort of filter that you have or any face you have. These are the landmarks that it swaps with, and you can use any of these filters. You can obviously add more, but the idea is very simple. You have the landmarks on your face, and then you simply swap those landmarks with these images or these filters basically. So yeah, let's run it. Let's have a look. And here you can see it's swapping my face with this one, and I can just switch to the next one with the press of a button. And if I press this button, it switches the filters. It doesn't look good on me, but that's besides the point. I just want to show you how it looks. And it's 2D, so it's not really using 3D landmark. I mean, it uses on the side of your face like this. These are the landmarks that it uses. This particular example is of a face symmetry app, where it takes the shape and particular things of your face from left and right side and compares them. But that's a different thing. The idea is same though. It takes the face and basically it takes the landmarks and then swaps them. And you can do the same thing with hand landmarks. Like here you can see basically you have these landmarks on your hand, and you can identify them and perform different tasks. Like in this example, I can control my brightness of the monitor, or the volume of my PC. You can do these fun things with that, but the core idea is the same. So yeah, that's it from this video, and if you have any questions or you want to talk about your project, feel free to reach me out through the links I provided in the description. And yeah, I'll see you next time.